Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Freshservice data exports to US storage step by step clearly. Open your Freshservice account and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Reports section located on the left-hand menu. Select the type of data export you wish to access, such as incidents, service requests, or inventory items. Click on the specific report you want to export. Look for the Export button usually found at the top right corner of the report page. Choose the export format you prefer, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection and initiate the download process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your device's download folder. Open your US-based cloud storage service, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Log in to your cloud storage account with your credentials. Create a new folder or select an existing folder where you want to store the data export. Click on the Upload button, typically found on the cloud service interface. Select the downloaded file from your device. Confirm the upload and wait for the file to be fully transferred to your cloud storage. Once completed, you can access your Freshservice data export from anywhere. Remember to set sharing permissions as needed if you plan to collaborate with others. Your Freshservice data export is now safely stored in your US cloud storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.